Are social norms important? I asked researchers at our social cognition labs at MI3 here in Munich what their research shows.
Absolutely. Social norms shape our behaviors in various kinds of ways. It is very difficult to go against an established norm of behavior, even if you yourself think that the norm is not so good. That can lead to very sad outcomes, when everybody thinks that the norm is bad, but still adhere to it because they think that everybody else expects them to do so.
We usually think about social norms as something that tell us how we should behave. But in our recent experiment, we confirmed that they do something much deeper. They show us how the world looks like. They shape how we perceive what is happening around us. And we can see this in everyday situations. For example, consider when you are walking around the street and you see something that looks wrong, looks bad. Someone that expresses a hateful opinion about other person towards other person. And you consider, okay, this could be harmful, but everything changes when a social norm is visualized, when you perceive there is a social norm in place. Imagine that around, not only you, but other people are like staring at the incident and showing like uncomfortability, that this is not okay, moving their heads, making some comments. But imagine the contrary, that nobody pays attention to this, nobody reacts, nobody says anything, and everything continues as nothing is happening. In both situations, we have social norms in place. In the first case, we have a more restrictive social norm that says to you, this is not okay. And in the second case, you have a social norm that is more permissive, that tells you, okay, maybe this is not okay, but we tolerate this. In both circumstances, in an experiment that we conducted, we found that people perceive the situation differently depending in which context the situation is taking place. If the social norm is restrictive or if the social norm is more permissive, they perceive the same incidents, the very same words in completely different ways. So yes, social norms are always guiding us through the perception of our world and impacting us more than we think.